Hazrat Muhammad bin Jubair bin Mut'im narrates, while a Quraysh delegate was along with Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu, that it reached him that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu narrated this hadith. Soon there will be a ruler over the tribe Qahtan. He thereupon got exasperated, got up and extolled as well as glorified Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, as He Jalla Jalaluhu deserves, and then said, to proceed, undoubtedly I have got this news that some of you narrate such things as are neither mentioned in Allah's book nor are reported from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Such people are ignorant amongst you, so avoid their fabrications which will lead you astray. For I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, undoubtedly there is a fair rule as a permanent right of the Quraysh, as long as they will establish the religion. So whoso harbors any hostility against them, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will overturn him on his face. Zuhri has also reported it from Muhammad bin Jubair. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7139.